What's up, Royals? Welcome to Tonetra's Garden. In today's video, we're going to be doing a garden cleanup video. The fall weather is rolling in and we need to get this garden tidied up. So we're going to go ahead and get right into this video. Okay, so the major thing that we need to tackle today is this Roselle. I'm going to attempt to stake it up some kind of way, but it has to get staked so that I can get into the rest of this area because it's just kind of keeping me from doing the garden task that I need to do. So we're going to do that. We're going to tidy up my garden desk. And over here, we're going to get this all whacked and mowed down a little bit. It's getting a little crazy. So let's get to it.
So don't you tell me I am selfish just because I look out for myself. I've been happy, working hard, so I won't have to cry when I'm older. I could have done this or that. I remember when I used to. Don't do it 'cause it doesn't work. I'd rather tell her, shoot your shots. I did it, so I know you got this. We're all living what we manifest. You'll get your dreams, just do your best. So don't you tell me I am helpless just because I'm searching for myself. I've been happy, working hard just so myself. I got that on myself. Gracefully, gotta keep it cozy. I'ma take it slowly, one step at a time till my time is up. Why you stay mad at me? We gon' make mistakes, we gon' disagree. Are you so proud of me? If you just wait and see, you gon' ride. So don't you tell me I am selfish just because I look out for myself. I've been happy, working hard, so I won't have to cry when I'm older. I could've done this or that. I remember when I used to. Don't do it 'cause it doesn't work. I'd rather tell you, shoot your shots. I did it, so I know you got this. We're all living for manifest. You'll get your dreams, just do your best. So don't you tell me I am helpless just because.
Okay, so I was trying to use this trellis to stake up this plant, but I ended up having to tie the Roselle up to the wisteria. I have a wisteria bush over here, so I just tied it to the bush and it should be okay. Okay, so this other plant is pretty heavy. It has a lot of fruit on it. So I don't think I'm gonna be able to pull it up until I harvest from it. And I'm not ready to harvest from it today. So we're just gonna work around it and clean this area.
and my guys, we dey celebrate. See party poly make we elevate. See bad vibes, nothing tolerate. Wait, say we go kill 'em. See as the shy up in the circulate. Say give me I'ma give me Kate. See bad vibes, we no tolerate. Wait, say we go kill 'em. I'ma up with me soke, go be me see me, achukureke, obi malema, mag with me soke, go be me see me, achukureke, obi malema, up with me soke, go be me see me, achukureke, obi malema, mag with me soke, go be me see me, achukureke, yeah. Me and my guys we dey celebrate, see party poly make we elevate, see bad vibes nothing tolerate, wait. Say we go kill 'em. See as the shy up in the circulate. Say give me I'ma give me Kate. See bad vibes we no tolerate. Wait, say we go kill 'em. Me and my guys we dey celebrate. See party poly make we elevate. See bad vibes nothing tolerate. Wait, say we go kill 'em. See as the shy up in the circulate. Say give me I'ma give me Kate. See bad vibes we no tolerate. Wait, say we go kill 'em. Me and my guys we dey celebrate. See party poly make we elevate. See bad vibes nothing tolerate. Wait. See as the shy up in the circulate. Say give me I'ma give me Kate. See bad vibes we no tolerate. Wait, say we go kill 'em.
For today's garden cleanup. I got a lot done in just an hour. Thank you so much for being